Online learning has become a great part of our education system in past few years. With latest technology, students can have access to several study platforms to study properly even if there is no school or teacher. So today we are going to talk about some of the best applications available on Play Store and App Store to ensure maximum marks in CBSE board exam of 10th standard. As we know, this is a very tough time due to the coronavirus issue. Most of the students are not able to study properly because schools, colleges, coachings are shut down temporarily for I think since last 2 to 3 months. So in such situation, we need to prefer online learning rather than physical classes. So for this, we should have access to best applications available on Play Store or App Store so that we could study in the most proper way, and we should get the most quality notes, questions, sample papers so that we could score maximum marks in our upcoming 10th board examination. So the first app is Study Rankers. This app is available on Play Store. You can search Study Rankers or you can log in to any browser and then paste the link in my description given for Study Rankers. Now this app has very simple inbuilt quality that anyone can study properly with this app, and some of the most touching features of this app is good quality notes, short notes, solution of NCERT books, solution of RS Agarwal and RD Sharma also. There is ebooks are also available on Study Rankers, so if you have not brought the books till now, then you can also study the ebooks. Then there are some quizzes also. Quizzes will help us to know how much we are prepared for the mock tests or limited time tests. Then there is video explanations of most of the topics, and there is also Hindi plus English, both the languages. So those who understand Hindi more properly, so they can use Hindi language, or those who think that no, they can do well with English, so they can use English. The premium feature of this app will also give you detailed notes and some extra questions that will help you to score maximum marks. But even in free, not other than premium features, also there is a lot of features that can help you, like notes, as I have told. And the most important feature of this app is notes. So I will only suggest you, if you want best quality notes, then Study Rankers. Not best quality, but simple quality, that will be there. Simple. Okay. After this, you can download another app, that is Byju's. Byju's learning app is also a great initiative, and the most striking feature of this app is live classes. 50,000 plus videos are available on it from class 1 to 12th, and I think I will give it 5 star for 10th class preparation, especially CBSE. Then there are several tests including maths test, physics test, chemistry test, and then personalized learning, quizzes, ebooks, visual learning system, which will ensure maximum efficiency of the app. Next is Go Prep Grade Up School app. This app is also very nice. If you want real-time doubt solving, then you can go for this app. Free daily live classes are also available, and NCERT solution is also available, and mock test and quizzes are also available. You can send and receive questions and answers really very immediately. And the final app, the fourth one, is Class 10 Board Solved Papers. This app contains last 5 years solved papers, last 5 years best sample papers, previous year's best board exam questions, important questions, and then toppers solved papers, so that you can score maximum marks in the board examination. Now the thing is that these all four apps are completely different categories. The Study Rankers comes under the category of notes. The Byju's comes under the category of videos study and graphics. The third is Go Prep Grade Up School. This comes under doubt solving. And finally, Class 10 board solved papers in question solving. I hope this video will give you maximum marks by downloading the apps that I have mentioned in the video. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and the most importantly, comment to me if you think any other apps are also missing in the video, then I will include in next parts. Thank you so much. And yeah, be safe, be at home, study hard. For downloading all the 4 apps, you can check my description of this video. In that video, all the 4 apps links are available for Play Store. Thank you so much.